that flag? It looks like a Spanish flag, but obviously it's not. So I don't know what it is. Some kind of sign for them. Maybe the battalion or something. You see?
Hello friends, in today's episode we take Marisa sailing for the first time this session. A short trip to Carrickfergus to check that all the systems are working perfectly and that Marisa is ready for the start of the session. The conditions were great and the sailing was fantastic. However, it's not all champagne sailing. If you stay until the end of the episode, you'll see the outtakes when we try to recover the drone that we almost lost in the water, and also when we dock in Carrickfergus, a docking that should have been easy, but due to the lack of practice, it almost turned into a drama. Don't miss it!
He didn't want to do a
handbrake turn.
yeah, with that boat behind us.
A donut.
Bueno, Maguera a Maguera. Marisa.
I mean Marisa. Marisa is finally sailing. Again!
Todo parece bien.
Everything looks fine.
Mástil con
The
la
mast with the new rigging,
las conexiones se han
all
hecho
the
bien,
connections
todo
are
funciona.
good because everything works,
Y ahora vamos a vela.
and we are under sail
Un viento de 10 y
with
vamos
a 10 knots wind, and we are making about
5 nudos, 6 nudos en el
five or 6 knots on the water.
agua. Muy bien.
Okay,
Un poquito
we
de
are
ceñida.
going a little close-hauled,
Y vamos a ir a
and we are
Carrickfergus.
going to Carrickfergus.
Ah, no estoy seguro
I'm
del
not
dron,
sure
¿eh?
about the drone, huh?
Muy
I think
dudoso
it's
para
too
dron.
windy for the drone.
No.
I don't dare.
Maybe one have to go up the other dome, but
Starting to get a few white horses, Chavi.
that's okay. Perfecto, día perfecto de navegar.
What is a baby, eh?
Mama, too close, no? It's not going to show.
He's okay. He's okay.
Okay, a good part. You want to sit there, maybe?
Dog wants to sit there, but that's not a good place for him. Or it is actually, because we're going to turn. Ugh. You want to get up? Up. Oops.
Oh,
Okay. Stay
okay, ready to tack?
Right.
Hand on. Hija! What you are supposed to say?
Liho.
Liho. No.
Yeah.
No, Liho is for
I thought you were making a joke.
I thought it was.
Liho is for the jive. No.
Jive.
Jive. Okay. Liho.
What's that, a cowboy? What, are you going to Nashville?
Hija!
Ready to attack?
Well, here we are in Marisa, sailing. You can see the inclination I'm using. You can see the inclination by the lamp.
Como estamos inclinados, ¿eh?
And here on the port side,
En el lado de babor.
you can see. You can see through these windows,
A ver si se ve bien. Esa
which
ventana
is
que
quite
está
dirty.
bastante sucia.
And if not, through here. Look, there we have the sea, very, very
Bien
close.
cerquita, bien cerquita.
Ian is telling his stories.
Sus historias. Vale.
He's there at the wheel, enjoying himself. Sometimes I let him enjoy himself a little. But we are doing very well. We're heading towards Carrickfergus to spend the day, and
Hemos estado
we're not going directly because it's very close. We've been sailing a bit through the Belfast Lock because it's been a day. And we are testing everything, and everything works well. Everything is going very well. We are only tested the engine a little because as soon as we left the marina we set the sails.
A ver si puedes ver las velas desde aquí.
And we are going full sail. Let's see if you can
La
see
Genoa.
from here the Genoa. The sun is shining in our
Y la
faces.
mayor.
And the mainsail.
Me pongo en la otra ventana.
I'll stand in the other window so you can see. Okay, we are going full sail. And everything is going well. We're very happy.
Hang up.
Hola.
Hi. Talking to Jordy.
Video.
This is the structure of the fuel loading dock. We think this is it, but it's quite impressive. It's scary to sail so close. I think there was a refinery here or there, and we think this is it because we never see a ship here. And the wind is calming down, and I think it's time to get the drone out.
Vamos a ver. Ya. Ya, baby.
Getting near drum time.
Yeah, long time. Winter is there. So calm. Don't worry, baby. You're okay. Where are you going? What you see? You see a dolphin?
What a day. And Winter's laying up the front. You see?
He's looking pretty relaxed, too.
Yeah. Travis getting ready with the drone.
It's showtime!
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
Well, we've got the drone back, and I want to show you where Winter is. Winter is, of course, in his favorite spot, on the solar panel. What a guy! I'm going to have to put the panel up high so he doesn't sit on it. What are you doing there, huh? Winter? The silent dog.
El perrito navegante.
The Silent Husky. What do you think?
¿Qué os parece?
Here we go to Carrifergus. You can see the castle there. What a stunning day.
Venga.
Come on. There's the Captain Ian. Looks like Capitan Pescanova, Capitan Igloo.
Ahí está el castillo de Carrifergus. Oh, mi sopa está preparada. Winter, no la tomas tú, ¿eh?
That's for Ian.
Esta es por Ian, el minestrone. Captain Ian, your minestrone.
Thank you.
That's yours.
Yo, pollo con bichos, ¿no? Okay.
And then get the table open, shall we?
Do you want to? Do you want to heave two?
We can, yeah,
Tighten up the mainsail.
give two and just wait here
Yeah.
until we have our shop.
Yeah, do you want to open the... Get out of it. The only problem, him in the middle with
We need to hit two or just go?
No, because we're too close.
Winter. Ashley?
Scottish. Nice little picnic.
Yeah. Oh, getting very shallow here.
What is it?
4.9.
Oh, I got to be grand. 4.9.
Just because you don't see the top, you see the land.
Well, no, because we're heading sort of away from the land.
4.7.
Go ahead, move.
Get your soup.
Grab a sandwich. It's just that, it's that tiger
We're in
baguette
Pismont,
from
isn't it?
Mazda. Winter, watching you.
I didn't realise we were nearly down here. Watch, we're nearly going to dive.
It's better to go to the other side, make a attack.
No, attack and just go back up the other way?
Yeah. There's a attack. Backing away.
Just taking your seat. Oh, bugger.
It's okay, it's okay. Leave it like that. Just get your soup. We're going in.
Just try and heave two.
Yeah, but if we are drifting to the shallow, you know.
Yeah, but if it's very, very slow though.
Oh, that was good. I got cream of asparagus. It's lovely. I don't fill it too full though because it doesn't take a lot of water. If you put it too much water, it's too water. Yeah. It's supposed to be in a small cup, you know, not in this big.
Is yours pleasant?
Hmm?
Is this pleasant?
It's lovely.
People try to do that in storms and everything.
Yeah, to get a rest. I've seen that, yeah, on YouTube where they're just absolutely exhausted. They can't anymore.
I don't think it'd be pleasant.
No, but
That'll be
Be like-
pleasant,
would that be pleasant?
but
Like-
unless you can.
Yeah. It's probably safe, you know, just to be sitting getting battered around, like, you know.
That's 0, 0, 0.
not moving.
Well, not moving in the water. At 1.5 knots
Drifting.
drifting somewhere.
have to watch the depth.
Yeah, 5.6 now.
The entrance to Carrickfergus Marina is very narrow, but it's a port we know well, and we should have docked without any problems. However, we did have a near miss. If you'd like to see what happened,
Here?
I've included in the outtakes at the end of the video, along with the near failed drone recovery. Don't miss it. Well, friends, thank you so much for joining us. This is our first outing of the season with Marisa. I hope you enjoy it. If so, please subscribe, share and like. Now, if you stick around, you'll be able to see the outtakes and see how badly we are doing. See you soon, amigos.
Can you
Mama,
not?
can you catch it?
Jesus, I don't know. And can you not do like a crash tack and stop the boat, stall the boat?
I don't know, Ian is confident in that.
What's a crash tag?
Oh, you have to do your skippers. And I don't even know much, but I know about it.
We're hardly using it.
It's to get the boat in the opposite direction. So that it's,
Silence, come on. Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know. I thought I was getting hit there.
you nearly did. Is it alive?
It's still flying. I can hear
Right,
it.
yeah, I thought it was in the water.
Nearly. But if you hear it, yeah, if you hear it next time, Ian, just put your hands over your head, just so that it'll just ricochet off your. Winter. Out of the way, Winter. Come on, out of the way. Come over here. Winter, come here. The dog's right behind Ian though if he jumps. Come on, Winter. Come here. Winter, come here.
There you go, you probably caught it, but
Close.
shit!
What's wrong?
Shit, this is wrong.
What's wrong?
I don't know what's happened there.
Something broke.
This was on the wrong side.
You don't want to put that in video, shall we?